Today's topic is something we chase, something we all crave, something we think is hiding somewhere far away. But the truth is, happiness is sitting right next to us. बस हम ही बिजी हैं देखते नहीं. Namaste everyone. Welcome to Simple Talks. So today we are talking about happiness. Most of us grow up believing happiness is a destination. I'll get that job, then I'll be happy. When life will be perfect, I will be happy. But life never becomes perfect and happiness doesn't wait for the perfection. Happiness is not an Amazon package which has a fixed delivery date. It comes in moments, tiny, beautiful, unexpected moments. The myth of happiness. We attach happiness with the big achievements, but the big achievements comes once in a while. What about rest of the days? What about the normal days? What about the days that are messy, imperfect, and stressful? Those days also deserve happiness. But the real secret of happiness is very simple. Happiness is a practice, not a place. It is built from the micro moments, like a warm cup of tea or coffee, 10 minutes of walk, a genuine compliment, a child's laughter, a moment of silence, a small gesture, or a creative spark. These tiny rituals create emotional stability. It makes your heart feel safe. We think success brings happiness. But what if it's other way around? What if happy people perform better? Because they already carry peace within them. Do you know the science angle related to happiness? Science also agrees. Our mind releases dopamine and serotonin with small actions. Gratitude, movement, connection, creativity. So, the secret is not waiting for the happiness. The secret is to create it. Let me share my Simple Talk happiness formula. I call it HAPPY. HAPPY. H. Hold space for yourself. Take a pause, breathe, feel. Appreciate tiny wins. Small victories matter. P. Practice presence. Be there. Not in yesterday, not in tomorrow. P. Protect your peace. Not every battle requires your energy. Why? You matter. Your happiness is not optional, it's essential. Yesterday, I was rushing between work, kids, household things, and suddenly my kids were playing and they started laughing at some silly thing. That one laugh, bus, it reset my whole day. In that moment, I realized happiness hides in the tiny pauses and we miss it because we are always running. Here is the gentle reminder to everyone. Happiness is not a treasure hunt. It's a daily choice, a gentle practice, a small moment. Think about your childhood. How happy you were playing with a simple cardboard, or eating mangoes in summer, dancing in the rain. Nothing was perfect, yet everything felt enough. I think the biggest reason why we miss happiness is we are always somewhere else. While eating dinner, we are thinking about tomorrow's meeting. While sitting with the family, we are just scrolling our phone. While watching a sunset, we are trying to capture it instead of enjoying it. There is a beautiful story. A traveler spent years searching for happiness. He climbed mountains, visited temples, met wise people. One day, an old man simply offered him a cup of tea. The traveler asked, "Where is happiness?" The old man smiled and said, "Drink your tea before it gets cold." Sometimes answer is not somewhere else. Sometimes it is in front of us. Let's do a small exercise. Before sleep tonight, write down the 3 moments that made you smile today. Train your mind to notice happiness. and you will start finding it everywhere. So today, don't wait for the happiness. Create it. If this conversation brought a little peace to your heart, share it with someone who needs it today. And tell me in comment, what was the one small moment that made you smile today? Because sometimes your answer inspires someone else's happiness. Thank you for watching Simple Talks. See you soon in the next episode with a new topic. Until then, stay safe, stay calm, and keep moving forward. Namaste.